So in the previous video, I explained about 1D array. So in this video, I'll show the two-dimensional array. So two-dimensional array is mainly used for matrix because it has both row and column. So 1D array is more like vector. You get just one row. Then two-dimensional array, you need to specify both row and column. If you just think about a matrix or any table, then you know there is a row and also column value. So similarly, if 1D array is more like just this, then two-dimensional array, you have another field for column. So there are two fields. So here I'll show the 2D array. Okay, so it's the same program. So in this video I'll show matrix multiplication. Okay, so I'm just keeping some of the stuff same. Yeah, addition. Okay, matrix addition. See, for 1D array, last time I initialized one array, since it's a sum of addition of two matrix. That means I need to define another array, then one variable to hold the sum, right? So suppose this one is, I just make it array1, then I need another matrix to do this addition. Okay, as I mentioned before, now you have both row and column. That's why you need to define the size for both row and column. So here also just keep it same. Array2. Now I want counter. Last time I showed it's I. Now since we have to access from both row and column, we need two counters. Or indices, then I need another one, M and N. M and N because you need to both specify number of row, for example M, and number of column, for example N. And Ij is for the indices for both row and column. So here you can just write number of rows and columns, enter the number of rows and columns. So since I want two values, that's why you need to specify two values. This one M. Okay. Okay, now you want to enter the elements for the first matrix. So you can just say enter the elements for the matrix 1. Okay, so if I is defining the row, that means you have to also specify the column. Therefore, here you will have two for loops. Okay, it's better practice to keep like this. For G equal to 0, G. If you want to make it N, make it M and make it N. G plus. So inside here you want to write your scanf statement. Okay, for both I and J you are storing the values for matrix. Now we want to store the value for matrix 2. So you can just write this line again. We enter the elements for matrix 2 this time, and this one remains same. Write it here, it will look better. Okay, it's also same. You can just copy paste the thing here. Yeah, remember this is for matrix 1, so which is array 1, and here you have to write array 2. Okay, now you want to do the summation, so this one will again happen inside the loop. So now you can just say the printf the sum of matrix 1 and matrix 2 is, it's up to you. If you want to don't write, then don't write. If you want to write it, you can write it. It's definitely up to you. So to store and show the value, you need to again do the same thing. Just copy paste. Basically it's same. So remember, here you want to do the actual summation. So therefore you need to show the addition part inside this loop. Okay, to store the value, you need to definitely define another array for sum. Again 10, because after addition the size will remain same, therefore same size, sum 10. So here sum I j is equal to array 1 I j plus array 2 I j. You want to store the value of sum here. Then within the same loop you want to also show the value. Printf %d I m j. Here I hope I didn't leave keep any mistakes like semicolons. Okay, just run it. If you get any error, we can just fix it. Okay, enter the number of rows and columns. I want both to be 2. Enter the elements for the first matrix. I want 3, 4, 5, and 6. Enter the elements for the matrix 2. 1, 2, 3, 4. So sum of the matrix is surprise. Why it is coming like this? Why it's again asking for it? Because here I have written scanf, which is not needed because scanf is storing values. That means user need to input something so that it is stored a value. So don't put any scanf. Okay, now run again. Number of columns and rows. Okay, 2 by 3 maybe. I want 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Next, 7, 8, 9, 2, 1, 3. So sum of the matrix is this. So 2 plus 7 plus 1, 8, and like this. So guys, I hope you understood both 1D and 2D array. Thank you.